We got the M4 parked up. Good grief. So what do you guys think about the new front end? It's a nice Aventador, but look at this Bugatti Chiron, a few Koenigsegg's right here. Wow, we have some of the cars from Fast and Furious. We're driving my straight pipe M4 with the Fast and Furious crew. That looked like Vin Diesel. See Paul Walker and me right there. You can see these cars attracted quite the crowd. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me in my straight pipe BMW M4, and today we're going on another POV drive. We're going to be heading out to Purist out in Industry, California, and apparently we're going to be seeing everything from Bugatti to Koenigseggs to super rare BMWs, all the way down to cars that were used in the original Fast and Furious film. So with less being said, let's go ahead and strap you guys in my face and get on with today's POV. So you guys join us inside the M4. We're now on the highway. Apparently they're gonna have some really rare cars there, including Bugatti Chiron, the old school Bugatti EB10 or ES10. I can't remember which one it is. We got about a 30-minute drive, so let's go ahead and enjoy the straight piped M4 on the way and pull up to the meet. Wow, look at downtown LA. Here goes a G82 Coupe M4 Comp. There goes a wide body Liberty Walk Huracan. Absolutely gorgeous. So we just came across a convoy of Porsches and a little Mini in the back, right-hand drive. Let's go check these cars out real quick. That's pretty cool. So we got a few 911s, Carrera, nice downshift by him. Another Carrera S. This appears to be, what is it, a GT2? Very good looking car. Nice Miami blue, nice with a speed yellow. Red GT2, that's beautiful. Miami blue is this Carrera S. Gorgeous, 992. Another 911, another 911. This is my friend Josh. Shout out Josh Bernstein. He's got one of these at home in Ann Arbor. Really nice. And this is a nice 911 Carrera as well. Geez, we got Porsches for days. Oh, those look good. Check that out. That is cool. Check that out. NSX. How cool is this? Well, we got about 5 minutes until we're gonna pull up to the meet, so let's go ahead, pull up, park up, and see what kind of cars are at this event. So you get a pretty cool view of the city out here. See the mountains deep in the distance. So we just got our ticket, $10 ticket. You can see we're out here by the meet by some stables, which is pretty cool. Myself, my girlfriend is actually technically an equestrian, so we're gonna follow this road and see if it takes us to a parking spot so we can go ahead and park up. So as you can see, we got the M4 parked up next to a G80 M3 Comp. Appears to be lower. It's got the full carbon lip side skirts, the whole deal on this thing. This gives us a good chance to see the F82 next to the G80 once again. I gotta say, the G80s look so good in the darker color, especially when you add all this carbon fiber, the lip, air ducts. mirrors, roof. I mean, he's got the M Performance seats. You've got a few drift cars over there, which is pretty cool. We could see that Mini that we were driving with earlier parked up, so small compared to this Toyota. This 911 Turbo S in red is gorgeous. Wow, check out this F30 wagon with interesting wheel setup. Pretty cool. Also has the GTS hood, which I'm looking to get in pretty soon, but nice. Nice family mobile. Nice Rolls Royce right there as well. But wow, so already I haven't seen a meet like this at all. We just got shuttled by a van for about a mile just to get to this location. I'm already looking at a few Bugattis, super rare cars. So let's go and check everything out. There's a lot of food vendors here. This is kind of wild. This is taking off-road to a whole nother level. So I've only been here nothing but 5 minutes. I gotta say, this is one of the most unique events I've been to as far as the variety of cars, the booths, the food, the music, SoCal car culture at its finest. So we're gonna walk around, check out some more of these cars and see what else we can get into. Man, look at this GTR right here. I'm not the biggest GTR fan, at least the R35s, but God knows if it's street legal, but can you imagine driving this thing on the road? That must be awesome. Man, look at this DeLorean. It's nice and spec, clean. Wow, we have some of the cars from Fast and Furious here. We got the Supra, the S2000. Man, this right here is nostalgia. Growing up watching the movies, to see this thing in person is insane. Yo, I'm being followed by Darth Vader right now and his crew. It's a nice C63S in black. Probably my favorite color on any AMG. It's Alpine, what is this, a B6 2.8? It's a very rare car if it's original. Wow, look at that interior. Oh, that's awesome. Here goes Ara's E46 M3 Supercharged. Wow, what a beautiful build. Always nice to see this car. Got a nice MA competition right here. That's gorgeous. Boston wheels on it. Heritage badges, it looks good. Man, look at these Supras, but more importantly, look at the engine bay on this one. Good grief. That's straight art. I love this bloody, almost like wine red on this thing. So what do you guys think about the new front end, this new grille for the G80? I think it looks good, much better than the original. But I don't know how I feel about how far it pokes out. You can kind of see from this angle right here. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Always nice to see the military grade H1 with the turret machine gun on the roof. A few Koenigseggs right here. Fully exposed carbon fiber. One's like a darker, one's like more of a gray carbon fiber with sparkles in it. Check out this wide body C63. Beautiful blue color on this one as well. I must say, it's kind of hard to figure out exactly where to walk. There's cars everywhere, and it's a big campus / parking lot. Like I said, we had to take a van to even get over to this destination. So let's walk around a little bit more, check out some more cars, and let's go from there. Huge shout out to Eric from Carbontastic. He brought the E46 M3 wagon. If you guys aren't familiar, he's the one who sponsored the steering wheel on the M4. So it looks like you got a friend in the passenger seat. He takes carbon fiber serious. Whole steering column is carbon fiber steering wheel. Trims. If you're looking for anything carbon fiber, I would definitely contact him. Oh my god, look at this thing. It's a G82 M4 comp turned into a pickup truck. So the blue chrome wrap, debatable, but we'll come around back. I mean, I would say the M4 is pretty practical as is, especially for a daily. Obviously you can't put stuff on a flatbed like this, but I don't know, let me know what you guys think about this build. A nice Aventador, but look at this Bugatti Chiron just casually parked up. But the rear end's gotta be my favorite. I mean, just look at that. Especially this piece that just comes right down the middle. You got that W16 quad turbo. Man, check out this wide body Urus Liberty Walk kit. Oh my God. This doesn't even look like a real car. So I think it's safe to say this is the largest Mercedes I've ever seen in my life. This is beast mode to its finest. And just look at the size of this wheel. That is cool. The event, we're walking back to the parking lot to hop in the M4. We're gonna take a break. We need a seat. So I wasn't prepared for this. Apparently this meet goes till 4 p.m. It is currently 11 a.m. We've been here since what, 9:30 a.m. So this is an all-day event. I wasn't aware of that. So we're just gonna take a break, maybe try and pull out, roll some cars on the road. Let's go from there. Check out this McLaren. It's not like it has downpipes and everything. It's a beautiful F90 M5 competition with some BBS wheels. Oh, that's a good looking car. Wow, so here go the Fast and Furious cars. Oh, this is insane. This is the one straight out the movie, by the way. So we're gonna get a chance to see these cars rolling on the road. There's a yellow GTR. Wow, look at that S2000. That is so cool. And there goes the famous Paul Walker Supra. So we're definitely gonna follow these guys out. No way. Look at this. Dude, what? Who would have thought, guys? Beemer Fam has now just entered Fast and Furious. First up, we got my favorite, Paul Walker Supra. That is so cool. We're driving my straight piped M4 with the Fast and Furious crew. Never in a million years would I thought this would be happening right now. It's crazy growing up watching these films, all of them. Especially the first one though, it was the most memorable for me. And now here we are, 2,000 miles away from home, riding with the same cars that were in the movie. It's unreal. How cool is this? Nice G80 M3 comp. Oh, Tesla making no type of noise. So let's get a closer look at these cars. Oh my God. That is so cool. The vibes are 10,000 out of 10,000. Look. Oh my God. You guys are gonna, if you got, I'm not familiar with every single car, so you guys are gonna have to refresh my memory in the comments right now. Which one is the yellow one? Which one is this one? I think this one might be the younger guy's name. Oh no, it says Mia on the license plate, so that must have been Mia's right there. And this was that, I think this was only in a few scenes. This wasn't in the movie long. It's the vibes. How cool is that? I'll tell you what, these cars are nice, but the M4, man, if only the M4 was in Fast and Furious. He's got the gauges in there and everything. Wow. What a vibe right now. This is actually that looked like Vin Diesel driving that the Mia's car right there. Well, goodbye Fast and... What the hell? What was that? See, these cars attracted quite the crowd checking these things out just at a random Home Depot. It's kind of cool. So we got the M4 parked up right here, looking good. Okay, that guy got kind of close to the M4 for my comfort, but we're not gonna get too mad. He was probably looking at these. I mean, these are just straight out the Fast and Furious movie. Suki FNF, so Fast and Furious, Mia FNF, and then, you know, we got some more of the generic plates, but oh, also Eddie's FNF right here. I remember this car from that scene where Paul Walker is just shifting the hell out of this thing for like, had to have been at least 5 miles of just one acceleration in this car. Where you can see the wing, and it's got the top down, so you can see the gauges in this thing, the steering wheel, the seats. That is just so sick. This is probably my favorite one out the group, and the next second favorite would definitely be the GTR. Right-hand drive and everything. Wow. As you can tell, I'm geeking out a little bit, but it's funny to see these cars at a Home Depot. Just random. And then this is Mia's. I'm not even sure. Is this a Civic? I believe it's a Civic. Cool thing about Mia's car, not only is there a small scale model on the dashboard, but you can see Paul Walker and Mia right there getting it going. And then this one, I'm not sure what this car is, a Nissan something. Nevertheless, very cool. And then yeah, I remember this one, there's a group of these, right? It's like kind of like the villain cars. Now that I'm remembering, I believe this was the one from that scene where these things go under the semi-truck on the highway. There's a group of them doing the heist. I can't remember if it was in the beginning of the second one or if it was at the end of the first one. You guys are gonna have to let me know. I'll have to watch the film again, especially after seeing these things in person, but I definitely remember this one right here. I remember a group of these traveling all together. I think we can definitely take a moment to just have a moment for Paul, man. I mean, he obviously passed too young. Yeah, seeing these cars out here, you know, there's a lot of emotions involved, so just how much this film, just the first film alone, impacted the car culture, not only in like Southern California, but globally. So really cool to see something like this. So I think we're gonna go ahead, hop back inside the M4, head back on the road, and head back to LA. So that'll just about do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.